Oh look, first cast, got him. That is so sick. Got him. What is it? You got it? He's got it. Yep. What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. Today's mission, we're just out in the middle of the day, and I'm going to hit up a land-based spot in an area where I usually go fishing a fair bit, but I always miss this spot. Let's just see how we go land-based and go throw some silly string around and have a little bit of exercise and a bit of fun. So anyway, that's enough chatting. Let's get into it. All right, she's super windy, so I do apologize if you can't hear me. Just going to start off with a little MMD soft prawn. One of the best imitations for little jelly prawns at the moment. And I'll just chuck a little bit of scent on it, just to see if it helps in any way. I can see plenty of bait from here, up in this little section here. Probably worth a cast, not getting too close. All right, first cast. Oh look, first cast, got him. That is so sick. Oh, he's alright actually. First cast. First cast. Little Brimbo. How good's that? Yes. First cast, and he's a decent one too. Decent one. How good's that? Thanks, mate. He's out of here. First cast never happened for me. First cast on the soft prawn, didn't need to do anything for that one, except tighten my drag a little bit. Ooh. I've just got the light version of that soft prawn on, and if the wind gets too much or whatever, or the tide's rushing too much, I'll drop down to a medium sink. The heavies are good too, but they're more for bridges and stuff, so just keep persisting with this little one. Oh, that rain's coming down now. Ah, that's annoying. Yep, oh, that was a fish. Oh, I'm getting pelted by rain and brim. Yep, I'm just stuck in the car for a sec. Just gonna leave my phone and camera in the car, the big camera. I just roll with the chesty. Just gotta tough it out, I suppose. It's a pretty cool little area that we've got. So we've got like your mud banks, you've got rock wall, you've got drains, you've got bridge, and a lot of current. My god, great little spot. And so many people drive past this every day. Let it marinate. Yep, there we go. Got something. Just letting it sit there. What have we got? Oh, a little flatty. Little flatty. Just letting it sit on the bottom. Don't really want to break my lead or anything like that, so just take it nice and easy. There we go. Look at that. Little flatty. Oh, he's chucked out some bait fish. My gosh, what a keen little fella. Hey, check this bait out he just spat out. Look at that, little herring or something. God, look at the size of his mouth. Just shows you what they're feeding on. They're going aggressive on some bait fish, but they don't care about the prawn. There you go, mate. Out here. See you later. Sorry? Flathead brim. Yeah, flathead and brim, yeah. Yeah, this spot's pretty good. Everyone goes past it. Oh, I just let it go. It was too small. Yeah, it's good fun. Good little bit of fun. See you later. Look at that. That flatty just spat out another bait fish. Look at that. Gross. So much bait getting in and around here though. That's cool. Might even be worth it if things go quiet to go into a bait fish pattern. See how we go. I'm keen to try the other side of the bridge because the tide's coming this way, so the other side that I'll be able to get to should produce. where I'd be if I was a flathead. Somewhere in here. Just stand back a little bit. Because you never know what's just down the corner here. It's in the water. Oh, there's a hit. Oh, he had it. Oh, skip casted off this little back pylon here. Oh. It's on the road, I don't want to catch a car. Oh, you can see the jelly prawns getting murdered over there. Just don't want to spook anything. Tom's got it. Yeah. Oh, he had it. Oh, there's a drain just here. I wonder if I can get to it. This is cool. Ready to get railed by mosquitoes though. But if we can get it out there, that'd be good. That was a hit. He's still on it. I got him, I think. I think I got him. Yep. It's got to be a flatty. Yeah, little flatty, and he's gone. Little flatty. Look at that. Felt the thunk, and he was gone, and then all of a sudden the lure's out here. So, might just have to slow it up and go on the bottom. There's a hit. You got it? Oh. In this mud line. It's a good little three-way intersection to be a flatty. The tree on the way through. Do you want? Oh, look at all that bait up there, my god. Got him. What is it? It is a flatty. It is a flatty. Alright, if I lose him, lead a touch, he counts. Yep, there we go. Woohoo! Little flatty. Nothing massive, but hey, it's good fun. Good fun. I won't get the big camera out for him, but that's so cool. Little land-based spot in the heart of Brisbane, and so many cars drive past. You've seen how many cars have driven past, and this is just the last half an hour. Look at that, just on a little soft prawn. Getting it done. Alright mate, sorry about this release. He's out of here. There we go. How good's that? That's got to be a Brimbo. I was like, oh, I'll just put one more cast in here. There we go, Brimbo. How good's that? Yes. It's a little fella though. A little tacker. Have a go at the belly on him. Have a go at that belly. Tubby. Absolutely tubby. How good's that? Alright mate. See if there's another one over there. Oh, someone dumping the kernels. Sweet succulent chippies. Just gonna go to these little cuts, poke my head through and see what happens, and then move on. Oh, there's so much bait up in this little spot. This vein's a bit shallower, but that's all right. Still reckon there's potential. Yep. Oh. Has he got it? He's got it. Yep. That's a little Brimbo. Oh, how am I going to get him? Oh. Yep. Oh. Oh. Where is he? Oh, he's only tiny. Oh, there we go. That's so cool. Woohoo! A long distance release for you, mate. See what's going on up here. Very dirty up here. That run out tide. Bullshit. There's a fish. First cast. Oh. It's gotta be a flatty. Yeah, it is. That's a good flatty. Oh gosh. Just gotta lift him up. How about that? First little cast in that little cut. Oh, how good's that? Yes. He's getting a bit better. The size I was expecting. Look at how fat all these fish are. Look how fat he is. That's so cool. Such a cool little fish. Little flatties in such skinny water. Like, I don't know if you can see, that's probably less than 5 meters across. All right, mate. Sorry, I'm gonna have to just cannonball you. Oh. He made it. I'm so sorry, fishy. Oh, this is crazy. So all I'm doing is just casting up as far as I can without getting snagged, and then just letting it sit along the bottom, and a couple of little hops here and there. It's not really too natural of a little prawn to kind of just go. Sometimes it is when they're getting spooked, but it's mainly for flathead. I don't think flathead really care what the what it looks like. I think they're just eating anything and everything that comes past their face today.